If you're headed to Tokyo and if you're asking yourself should you choose Aman Tokyo, this video is for you. I'm going to do a deep dive into Aman Tokyo and all the pros and cons and the reason why you should choose it and the reason why you should not choose it. If you haven't already, please click and subscribe. It'll help our channel out. Thanks so much. The Aman Tokyo is located right next to the Otemachi subway station, so it's super easy to get to from Narita or from Haneda. Outside has a tranquil and peaceful park, and once you take the elevators up to the actual lobby, the lobby is breathtaking. It is gorgeous, and to the left hand side of this lobby, that's where the afternoon tea is located, and you could see the entire Tokyo with this view. The architecture and design just out of the world with this water feature, and also you look at this structure right here. And once you get to the floor, the hallways are always serene and peaceful. There's hardly anybody else, and it's very private. The room we booked is their corner city view king suite, and the cost per night was on around $2,800 US, including all fees and taxes. But the room itself is gorgeous, well designed, spacious, and you'll definitely get a great view of the city. The living room is well appointed, as you can see upcoming here. Here's a little kitchen counter, got a dining room, and afterwards you have a resting sofa area. And of course, tea and coffee set up. You also have a bottle of Krug in case you want a champagne. And this is the living room from the different view. As you can see, it's pretty spacious. I personally think this view right here from the living room is the best corner view. However, it's not the best view of the place. In case you need to do some work, there's a little workstation, and right next to it is a bathroom. The main bathroom has a dual sink and has all the amenities you could ask for. And this right here, guys, is the best view of this entire room. You could take a bath, enjoy the view, or take a shower, enjoy the view. And the other benefit is the floors are all warmed and the shower's right there. As for a gym setup, has a great, excellent gym, has everything you need and want. As for breakfast, endless options. It boils down to a Western menu and a Japanese menu. We both had each, and here's the Japanese menu. It is huge, has a lot of food, but also very, very delicious. They also serve a grilled fish, which includes salmon or mackerel when I was there. There's also some side dishes in addition to sashimi. And my wife got the Western meal. The other nice part about breakfast is that the place is big, so everybody's spread out. In case you're wondering how dinner is, highly recommended here at Arva, which is their in-house Italian restaurant. Everything was delicious and on point. And here you go, guys. Enjoy the feast for the eyes. And one of the best pool designs in Tokyo is here. Look at this, it's just gorgeous. It's nice and warm and toasty. There's always a pool attendant to help you. And we definitely want to try out their spa service. There's kimonos within the room we change into. Then we got a couples massage. The therapists were awesome. Start with a foot scrub, then a massage. I would highly recommend it. And the best part, after a massage, you get a sorbet, tea, in this view of the city while you rest on this couch. It is to die for. As for other activities we did through Aman was actually this sword fighting skill. We learned it took about 2 hours, and it's well worth it. I would highly recommend it. So overall, I liked it a lot more than Mandarin Oriental. Seeing where Four Seasons was, Aman's location is much better. The only negative is the price, definitely on the pricier side. However, the service is top notch. Our product is top notch too. Well, if this helped you, click and subscribe. See you on the next journey.